Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tax Info. I would request everyone to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to click on the bell button with all notifications on. In this video, we will talk about Aadhaar and Pan linking. Now, as everyone know, you would have received your email communication from income tax, you would have received communication from your CA, friends, family, or anyone, even from the news, that you will have to link your Aadhaar with Pan. Now, is it required or is it mandatory, or can I not do this also? What happens if I will not do? We will discuss on all these things in this video. Now, first thing, is everyone required to link Aadhaar and Pan? Direct question and direct answer for this would be yes. If you are an Indian, yes, you should link your Aadhaar with Pan. Second question would be, I am a minor. Do I need to link my Aadhaar with Pan? Everyone who is having a Aadhaar, everyone who is having a Pan should link their Aadhaar with Pan. Next question that comes up in your mind would be, I am a minor, I am not having Aadhaar card or Pan card. Do I need to apply and get it linked within 31st March? No, this is applicable only in case you already have a Pan card. Suppose you have Pan card and you do not have Aadhaar card, then you will have to get your Aadhaar card immediately applied for and link it with Pan. Next question is, do I have any exemption for linking my Aadhaar and Pan? As an Indian, there are some exemption. If you are not an Indian, then there is complete exemption. Say you are an Indian who is staying in Dubai, for example, then you need not link your Aadhaar and Pan. You have an option not to link it. Suppose you are an Indian and you are staying in any of the following states like Assam, Meghalaya, Jammu and Kashmir, anywhere in these three states, then you are not required to link your Aadhaar with Pan. Also, if you are a person who is above 80 years, then also you need not link your Aadhaar with Pan. Next question that my clients or my friends that generally ask is, I am not filing my income tax return. Do I need to link my Aadhaar with Pan? Again, the answer would be, if you have Aadhaar, if you have Pan card, then you will definitely have to link it with each other. Next, your question will be, I will not link. What happens if I don't link? The very first answer for this would be, your Pan will become inoperative. When I say inoperative, it is as good as it is not existent. Like your Pan card will be deactivated in other terms. What happens if my Pan card is deactivated? First thing is, I cannot file income tax return. Second, if I have already filed income tax return for the older years and it is pending for processing, the same will not be processed. I have refund to be received from income tax department and it is not yet come, then it will not be issued. Refund will not be sent to your bank account. You have given your Pan card to your bank account and they have issued you a debit card. Once your Pan becomes inoperative, your debit card will also be blocked. If debit card is blocked, all your UPI will again be blocked. Next, you will have given this Pan card in your organization where you work, like to your employer for deduction of tax at source. Now there, whenever it is your Pan is not there, they are liable to deduct TDS at a higher rate. Suppose you will be now you are getting your Pan deducted at tax deducted at 10%, then you will be deducting it at 20%. You have kept a bank fixed deposit. They will issue you interest with reduced interest amount because they will deduct TDS at 20% higher rate. Now deduction of 20% or higher rate is fine, but then you cannot claim this deduction at all because your Pan itself is not existent. Like this, there are various cases, like you want to apply for a passport, you want to apply for a subsidy from bank or government, then you cannot do this. So for all this, government has given a due date. What is the due date? 31st March 2022 was the original due date, original extended due date. This is going on from maybe 5 years now for linking Aadhaar with Pan. where 2022 March 31st was the last date for linking it with without any fine or penalty or fees as they term it. Now going from 1st April 2022 to 30th June, suppose you had an option to link your Aadhaar with PAN, then you are liable to pay a fees of 500 rupees. Now after June 2022 up to 31st March 2023, the government has again extended the timeline up to 31st March of this year 2023 by paying a fee of rupees 1000. Suppose you are not paying it within 1000, then what, by paying, you are not linking it by paying 1000, then what will happen? You may be, there is no amount yet specified by the government, but the news that is going on is you will be liable to pay a late fee of rupees 10,000. So do not forget or do not delay it further, and please link it with each other. How do we link it is my next question. So that will be covered in my next part of this video. Thank you.